The person that walks into a program like this and the person who walks out of a program like this are two completely different individuals. Like many people, I've jumped from major to major, from college to college. Respiratory therapy wasn't the first one that I looked at, but there was a lot more of a collaborative energy, and there was a lot more of a wanting to help you energy.
We really focus on learning concepts in the classroom and then applying them through skills labs and simulations. And being able to apply those actual skills in the hospital setting has not only made me a competent therapist, but a confident one. When I graduate, I'll be able to care for patients with a level head and rely on my training.
Before you even get into the hospital setting and work with patients, you are able to use our beautiful simulation lab here to get a feel of what it would be like to interact with real patients. We have all of the up-to-date standard equipment, especially that is used in this region. We also have clinical affiliation agreements with all of the top hospitals here in Eastern Idaho, as well as a few hospitals throughout the country, like the Mayo Clinic in Rochester.
The Mayo Clinic is one of the biggest and most prestigious hospitals in the world. I actually went out to do clinicals last week, and then I was able to interview there. It was awesome.
We have a couple of simulation labs at the College of Tech that are very true to life of what a hospital setting would look like. So depending on whether you're in the school or you're at your clinical, there's a lot of hands-on, and you can walk into most any hospital in the country with an RRT card, and their first, middle, and last question will be, when can you start?
If you're interested in our program, come see our simulation centers and meet our instructors and get a better understanding of what you'll be doing as a career after graduation.